Okay, I wanted to create one more video just to make sure we have as complete communication as possible. I'll give you the tour around the kitchen. Behind these two doors will be two roll-out trays and a working drawer. This is one big cabinet with adjustable shelves. A door here and a door here. Space for dishwasher. Sink-based cabinet with a door. This is a false front, so there's no drawer here because the sink gets in the way. This is a space for quickie sheets on a vertical. This is a super lazy Susan right here. And the inside of the cabinet looks like this. There'll be two trays, and those will spin independently of each other. The trays, I believe, are 32 inches in diameter, so they're pretty good size. Above the super lazy Susan, we have a wall cabinet, a diagonal wall cabinet. This wall cabinet's going to swing to the right. This one here is going to swing to the left. This one here is going to swing to the left. This space, blow it up a little bit. This space you see right here, it's actually a built-in extended stile. That's there because there's going to be likely a knob right here. And if I ran this door all the way over tight to this cabinet, then this door would hit that knob. So that's why I've given it a little clearance right here. Cabinet over the microwave. Bank of 4 drawers next to the stove. Wall cabinet. Tall pantry cabinet with 4 roll-out trays inside the tall doors, and then there's 2 doors above. Refrigerator wall cabinet above the refrigerator. Then in the island, if I can straighten this out a little bit, we've got a double trash pull-out with a working drawer. Let's see what this is. This one is a cabinet with roll-out trays, 2 of them. And then this cabinet is identical to this cabinet. So these 2 cabinets are the same. Then we have the area where I think you're going to put some sort of a under cabinet refrigerator. I can make this space, I've got the fillers wide enough so I can make this space anything you want almost. Right now it's 27 inches, but probably more commonly you're going to find a refrigerator that's 24 inches. So the cabinet above is 30 inches, so we would need at least a 30-inch wall over here to hold that cabinet up. Crown molding touching the ceiling. Here's kind of an important thing to note. The underside of a wall cabinet will be finished like this. It won't be white. It'll be finished in a wood grain melamine, which is easy to clean. If you want this white, then I would need to order paneling. But I can do that anytime. So it's unusual that people finish that. What they do more commonly is a under cabinet molding but I usually let people see it in the room first, and then we can react from there instead of just ordering material, whether we're going to use it or not. I'd rather be certain that you want that addressed, but I just want to make sure you understand that the bottom of the cabinets will be a very light tan, and of course the front will be white. My attempt at avoiding a surprise. The estimate, the formal estimate, will have more detail for you. But this is the video presentation that goes along with your estimate.